So I'm gonna take my Umbrella Emulsion sunscreen and rub it all over my face. Just gonna spray some in my hand.
Yeah, you know I take the grams to the face, hey. Yeah, you know I'm off the Zans, it's a wave, hey. Yeah, you know I'm about the bands every day, hey. Yeah, you know I'm about my plans out the way, hey, hey. I'm a rocket, got my hands by my waist, hey, hey. Pussy style, but leave your mans in the grave.
Next, I'm gonna go in with my OLIVIACARE Rosehip oil to moisturize my skin.
Just say you faithful, yeah, that's right, you think so. Until you see me walk around, now you drooling over my bankroll. I'm out confirming that big bag, so I'm pulling up in them sick rags. Now the bitches see me and their heads are turning and they come on over with they thick ass like, hey. Yeah, you know I take the grams to the face, hey. Yeah, you know I'm off the Zans, it's a wave, hey. Yeah, you know I'm about the bands every day, hey. Yeah, you know I'm about my plans out the way.
Next, I'm gonna go with my Physicans formula, the Healthy Foundation, and I'm just gonna put it all over my face for full coverage. And I highly recommend this one. It's one of my favorites.
Got the grip, you wanna try me? Mix a stick up with the high C. Wanna stick up with a 9B and then a fucking skirt up into high speed.
So I'm just gonna be blending in my foundation with this fluffy brush. It's perfect for everything. I literally do my whole face with this brush. You should get one. It's like a nice dense brush, but not too dense. So there's still some room for movement.
Yeah, I eat it like Kirby. I'm stuffing that whole actually be texted dirty. Yeah, you know I take the grams to the face, hey. Yeah, you know I'm off the Zans, it's a wave, hey. Yeah, you know I'm about the bands every day, hey. Yeah, you know I'm about my plans out the way, hey, hey. I'm a rocket, got my hands by my waist, hey, hey. Pussy style, but leave your mans in the grave, hey, hey. Stuff my pocket, get the bands, no delay.
Next, I'm going to be going with my Found powder from Found Beauty. And this is going to add some more coverage and also help me not look so greasy because of the oil. So the oil is really good for your skin, but you don't want to look like a crab cake. I don't know. So just make sure you powder your face, because I'm going to get oily throughout the day. So this is like a precaution. And now I'm going to go with my MILANI blush in the shade Rose. And it's so beautiful, so natural. Make sure you go with the light hand like I did. And make sure you do both cheeks.
I'm just trying to save you, throw it, I don't grab it. Let me get to touching, promise God I have you blushing. Let me give you something, come with me and fucking stunting. I can take you on a jet, show you all my cars. We could hop up in the coupe, then we got to Mars. We could chop around the world, take you on a girl.
Squeeze. Stop. Next, I'm going in with my Cover FX glitter drops and the shade Mirage, and it's the most beautiful little highlight, so you should get one. But a little goes a long way, I'll tell you that.
Get a bust down and I got that drip on it. When you drinking, yeah, you only have a one cup. And we at the after party till the fun's up. Yeah, we out all night till the sun's up. When you with me, I know how to sign up. Let me see you, girl, let me see you take a bow.
Now for my favorite brow product of all time. This is the Brow Gal brow tints in the shade 2, I think. And I'm basically just gonna brush my brows with it. It gives you some color.
Let me get to touch and promise God I have you blushing. Let me give you something, come with me and fucking stun. I'ma show you what I do, hop up in the coupe. Let me keep you in the loop when I come and scoop. Just show me how you do it, let me see you move it.
Now for my lips, I'm gonna go in with this little pinky shade, a jumbo crayon / gloss from e.l.f. I'm gonna rub it in because I don't want too strong of a color, so it's going to work. And then I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. as well mascara. It's a lengthening mascara. It's not waterproof, this one, but I have another one that is. They're both good, but this one has a wetter formula. And basically I'm gonna do my top and bottom lash. So now you've reached the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it very much. Leave a comment down below if you want to see other videos, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
But you flexing now, but I gotta have it. I'm just trying to save you, throw it, I don't grab it. Let me get to touch and promise God I have you blushing. Let me give you something, come with me and fuck stun.